What the president's saying is we all need to take care of it. If necessary, the president and the United States will have to take care of it, because he's said he's not going to allow this murderous rogue regime to threaten the United States with the most destructive weapons on Earth. Its intentions are to use that weapon for nuclear blackmail, and then to, quote, reunify the peninsula under the red banner. So he would use this to extract payoffs, as the regime has done with their nuclear program in the past, and to drive the United States and our allies away from this peninsula that he would then try to dominate.